Welcome to Stock Motion, the stock market educational YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a very quick look at a stock no one's really talking about that has a lot of upside. SenesTech Inc, ticker symbol SNES. All uploaded content is strictly for educational purposes only and is only my opinion. Guys, while you're here, please hit them like and subscribe buttons and help us grow this channel so we can continue to bring content your way. SenesTech is an agricultural biotechnology life sciences company, specializing in fertility management as a form of pest control. Their first commercial product, ContraPest, is designed exclusively for brown and black rats, and is currently distributed throughout the United States to combat difficult rat infestations. Successful rodent control is central when it comes to representing your brand's best optics. That's why fertility control, carefully developed to reduce rat populations, is integral to optimal, long-term pest management. Their awareness and appreciation of your specific situation allows them to strategize and manufacture the right products, ultimately delivering the right solution for your commercial business success, all while keeping you in control of daily operations. They have developed ContraPest to help food facilities and agricultural operations mitigate these potential losses by providing a long-term, sustainable solution for reducing rodent populations. Urban environments are top targets for rat infestations. In order to protect the public health in your city, a strong IPM program is required. Fertility control via ContraPest takes your prevention efforts that much further for lasting results. SenesTech is very much aware of the problems that have developed as a result of worldwide use of poisons to try and reduce the issue of rodents and the effect they have on the environment. With this in mind, they have instituted a sustainability planning and governance committee as an internal watchdog to ensure we work towards improving our world and not causing more harm to it. They intend to accomplish this following their tagline, Sound Science, Effective Solutions. SenesTech is committed to providing sustainable, humane treatment of animals, improving the quality of all human life, and enhancing environmental stewardship through global application of their effective solution in fertility control technology. This company does a good job of providing a needed service and solves the problem of reducing pests without poison, which is huge business and is always needed, so I just wanted to put this one on your watch list as it has a lot of potential upside. SenesTech last released its quarterly earnings data on November 11, 2020. The reported 56 cents earnings per share for the quarter, topping the consensus estimate of 59 cents by 3 cents. The firm earned $0.08 million during the quarter, compared to analysts' expectations of $0.05 million. SenesTech has generated $7.69 earnings per share over the last year. They have not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Monday, March 15, 2021, based off prior year's report dates. Insider ownership is 5.30%. Institutional ownership is 0.96%. One analyst has issued ratings and price targets for SenesTech in the last 12 months. Their average 12-month price target is $4, predicting that the stock has a possible upside of 83.49%. The high price target for SNES is $4 and the low price target for SNES is $4. There are currently one buy rating for the stock, resulting in a consensus rating of buy. Remember, I am not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your own trades. Please do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. Trading is risky. Stocks can go up or down, and you can lose money. If you liked the video, please help us grow this channel by hitting the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and take care.